Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for Monday 27 September 2021. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro GBP in front of us right now, and if you just look at the chart here, then you can easily see that the chart is kind of messed up, not a pretty looking chart, not a beautiful chart. And if I just zoom out and if I just ask you to observe the overall trend of the market, then you can see that we do not have a clear picture about the overall trend. This looks like a choppy market, sideways market. And on the other hand, if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can see that market has a resistance at this level and kind of looks towards the upside, but still we do not have any proper clarification about the trend of the market. So this is a choppy market, and in a sideways market like this, we get trading opportunities on both the side. It means that whenever there is no trend present on the market, it clearly signifies that number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. As a result, we do not have any trend. For example, if a market is under the dominance of buyers, then the market is in uptrend. If a market is under the dominance of sellers, then the market is in downtrend. But when the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal, we get a market like this. Clear? Okay. So the next important thing is area of value, finding out the area of value. If you have watched my other videos, previous videos, then you know that I focus on area of value all the time. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In a market condition like this, okay, we get trading opportunities on both the side. Or in simple words, if a market is an uptrend, then we get the best price always near the support. And if a market is in downtrend, we get the best price always near the resistance. But in a choppy market, in a sideways market, we can take trades on both the side, at the resistance as well as at the support. Okay, so you can clearly see that we have a strong resistance at this particular level here, 0.8600. My dear friends, if you do not have marked this level on your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw this level, mark this level, so that you do not miss the opportunity of shorting the market at this level, because this resistance is the most important resistance for the Euro GBP chart right now. Okay, so please mark this level, 0.8600, and you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it faced selling pressure and ultimately it came down. So therefore, if market goes up on Monday, Tuesday, doesn't matter, whenever market will be going up, you just need to observe the price at this resistance. If market reverses from the resistance level, then obviously you can short the market. So this resistance level of 0.8600 is your first trading opportunity on Euro GBP. Clear? So apart from this resistance zone, you can see that I have also drawn a trend line here, and this trend line is also the dynamic support for the market. To be honest, I do not have much faith on this trend line right now. Okay, and when I drew this line, I was kind of skeptical whether this line will be acting as a valid support or not. Okay, because I'm not much confident about this trend line. But once I drew this Fibonacci retracement level, okay, once I drew this Fibonacci retracement level, then the picture became very much clear to me. Okay. Apart from this trend line as a dynamic support, listen to me carefully, apart from this trend line as a dynamic support, okay, we also have got Fibonacci 50% retracement level at this trend line. At this level, we have a Fibonacci 50% retracement level. Therefore, there is a good possibility of market bouncing from this particular trend line. because of Fibonacci 50% retracement level, as well as the presence of the trend line as a dynamic support for the market. So this is your second trading opportunity on the Euro GBP chart. On Monday, let the market open. If the market is trading in the middle, you don't need to do anything. My dear friends, always keep in mind, do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. Let the price come to your own territory so that you get the best price, best trading opportunity. And you'll only get the best price either at the resistance, at this level, or at the support level. So you have understood the resistance level, and hopefully you have also understood the importance of this trend line or this particular price level where market has got the 50% retracement level. On the other hand, apart from this trend line and the 50% retracement level here, you can see that market also has 30 at 38.2 level at this level. So this is also a level from where market may try to bounce from here. So if you want to initiate a trade here, if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for quite some time, then you can also initiate a trade at the 38.28 level if market reverses or bounces from here. But if you are a beginner, if you are learning to trade right now, then my dear friend, no need to enter in the middle. Just enter here or short the market here if market goes up and reverses, or just buy here if market bounces from the level of 50% retracement level of Fibonacci as well as the trend line. So I am only giving two trading opportunities right now, first and second. These two are the most safe trading opportunities in the chart of Euro GBP for Monday right now, at least according to my analysis. If you think that I am wrong, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care. See you on Monday.